So this is my first time cloth diapering a newborn. So this is my setup for our toddler and our 1 week old. So I had 2 stations. This one is in our laundry room and I use this for cloth diapering the newborn. So in this basket, I just kept her inserts and stay dry liners and disposables as needed. Remember to be gracious with yourself. If you need to use a disposable, go ahead. For the first couple weeks, we used disposables overnight. So these are our stay dry liners and these are our little helper inserts. We used 2 small inserts for our newborn from week 1. She was never able to go with just the 1 insert. So in this basket, I would just keep our diapers. So I had our prepped diapers there. In the first week, I was really trying to figure stuff out, especially with laundry, with how many our toddler used and how much our newborn would use, and how often I would be able to do laundry. So in this next basket, I would just keep a change of clothes and pajamas because everyone knows how much a newborn is able to poop and pee on everything. So then on the dryer to the left of the change table, I had my little wipe station. So these are my wipes, and the container I would store my water in. So I would just dip a wipe in and wring it out as needed. And this is my wet bag that I used for garbage, and this was our dirty diaper storage. And so upstairs we actually would change both the newborn and the toddler. So this station, a bit harder to organize, but here is how it was. I had my wipes over here, and then I had this little basket with just the hygiene items, vitamin D drops and all those fun things. And then down here I had the prepped toddler diapers because I wasn't using overnights quite yet for the newborn. So back here I kept her overnight pajamas and diapers. And then down here in this basket was our overnight diapers for the toddler, and then just the change of inserts for his diaper changes. So we actually upcycled a desk and made it into our change station. I hope this was a helpful video, and I hope it makes the newborn stage just a little bit easier for you. Thanks for stopping by my channel today, for liking this video, and for subscribing. Hope you have a great day, and let me know in the comments below how old your baby was when you started cloth diapering.